Welcome to Practical Civil Engineer with Engineer Usiam Alam. And so today our new topic is how to find the length of a steel bar in a circular slab. Suppose this is a circular slab with a diameter of 6 foot and the center to center distance is 6 inches or 0.5 foot. So we have to find each bar length with the center to center distance is 6. So for that, as we know that D is 6 foot, so L will be 6 foot. So which is L is 6 foot. So now we have to find L1. So for L1 we know that we have formula R1 square minus H1 square multiplied by 2. So R1 R is radius, which is 3, diameter is 6 foot, so radius will be 3 foot. H is the height, which is 0.5 foot. So for that 3 square minus 0.5 square multiplied by 2. So L1 is equal to 9 minus 0.25 multiplied by 2. So L1 is equal to 2.958 multiplied by 2. L1 is equal to 5.9161 foot. So the length of L1 will be 5.961 foot and L is 6 foot. So L2 is equal to R2 minus H2 square multiplied by 2. So L2 is equal to R is same, which is this will be R1, just R1, because we have to just suppose this is the center. So for that we have to take R minus center to center distance is for L2, so 6 plus 6, which is 1 foot, multiply by 2. So 9 minus 1 multiply by 2. So L2 will be 5.659 foot. So the length of L2 will be 5.659 foot. So same for L4, which is 3 square minus 1.5 square multiplied by 2. 1.5 because 0.5, 0.5 and 0.5, which is 1.5. So L4 is equal to 9 minus 2.25 and with root multiply by 2. L4 will be 2.598 multiply by 2. So L4 is equal to 5.1962 foot. So the length of L4 will be 5.196 foot. So L1, L2, this is L3, sorry for that, this is L3. So the L3 length will be 5.196 foot. Now we have to find L4. So for L4, as we know that 3 square minus 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, 0.5, which is 2 square multiply by 2 under the root 9 minus 4 multiply by 2, which is under the root and 2.236 multiply by 2. So L4 is equal to 4.4721 foot. This is for L4. Now we have to find for L5. So for L5, R square minus H4 square multiply by 2. R square, so R is 3 square minus H4, which is 2.5 square multiply by 2, because as we assume, for example, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5, so 2.5. L5 is equal to 9 minus 6.25 and the root multiply by 2. So L5 is equal to 1.658 multiply by 2. So L5 is equal to 3.3166 foot. The length of L5 will be, the last bar will be 3.3116 foot. Now we have to find the total weight. So unit weight is dia, which is 12 mm. So d square divided by 532.271, 12 square divided by 532.271 is equal to 0.271. Total weight will be L multiply unit weight. So L is equal to 30.51 when we have to add L, L1, L2, L3, L4, L5. So we will get 30.51 multiply 0.271. So the total weight will be 8.24 kg for this side, for the upper side. So same case for the lower side, which will already will be 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So 8.2 multiply by 2. So we will get 16.48 kg for the whole circle of steel bar. So this is all about the weight of steel and the length of steel, how to find in a circular shape. So if you have any difficulties or ask for another topic, you can comment and